So this is how simple videos can save you 20 hours every single week if you are an online educator or if you are an online business owner. First of all, we have to talk about why videos, because videos are the best way to communicate with your ideal clients and your people who we want to reach, because it's just the most personal and it gives you the most leverage. If you think about videos, they not only know what you want to say, they actually see you and they actually hear you. For example, if you look at written text, it gives them the knowledge that you want to share with them, but they don't hear your voice, they don't see you. If you give them voice messages, they hear your voice and they also get the knowledge, but they won't see you. But in this video format, right now, for example, here, you can see how I behave, you can see how I speak, and you can see everything and you can hear everything. And now it becomes much easier for you to trust me and you actually get to know me because you see me in my natural form. So now that we know that videos are awesome and we know that they literally talk for you and they build relationships for you instead of you, okay, you record the video once, but you can use it as like your own agent to build these things for you. Now we can take a look at how we can use these videos. So this is how one person can go through your funnel with videos. They get to know you from social media posts, from long form YouTube videos and stuff like this, and then you send them to one single video which is crafted in a way that achieves a result for you. Probably it will be sales and probably it will be getting them onto your landing page, and on the landing page they can watch another video and then they can buy or they can book a call. If they don't buy right away but they also book a call, like, it's your choice. Do you want to make them buy or do you want to make them book a call? And even if you do book a call because you think about like, okay, my price is higher, a book a call will be easier for me, that's also good because this video can help on the call as well, where you don't have to pitch every time, you don't have to go through all the call every time. You just get on the call, you just ask them, hey, okay, why you are not buying, basically, and they tell you why not, and you just do it in 15 minutes because you have a great video here. So this video can even help you if you are booking a call and doing your business that way, and it will make your life much easier, saving you time on every single call that you would have. So out of these videos right here, there are two types. There are generation type and conversion type. The generation type is that people get to know you, people see your face, they know what you know, and also they get to hear about your offer, that how you can help them. And the conversion part is where they go from, hey, I know this guy, to, hey, I want to work with this guy, and hey, I will work with this guy, and hey, I'm working with this guy. So basically this is what conversion videos do. So if you look at the generation, simple long form YouTube videos are the best way to do this because it's just more videos. You upload more 10-20 minute videos where they spend time with you, they see you, they know what you are talking about, and on YouTube they go there to learn. For example, on Instagram they probably don't learn much, but if they go on YouTube and they want to learn something, for example learning to play the guitar, and they watch a 20-minute video of you teaching how to learn the guitar, now you look at them and see like, okay, this guy knows how to play the guitar and he teaches me how to play the guitar, and now I trust him more, now I love him more, and I probably want to work with him to make my learning progress faster. So this is very important. This is how to get the leads, this is how to get the traffic, and this is why I wrote input here, because this is not a create it once, this is like pushing every single week, just creating more and more videos, and just the more the better, basically. And even though now it feels like, okay, so how is this saving me time? Because you create it once and now people from 2 years from now can watch it and still want to work with you. And if you create a video today and 4 months from now you create another one person who finds the new video can still watch the old one, and now they watch 2 videos instead of 1. So this is insane leverage. Having long form YouTube videos is insane leverage. And if somebody asks you, maybe on other social media platforms or in real life, hey, I wonder, I know that you do this, well, how does this work, or what happens? You can just send them a long form YouTube video and now they are hooked. Now they watched 1 video, they got the value, they want to watch more and more and more and more. So this is why it's great. And in every single of these long form simple YouTube videos, you can send them to a free training. And this free training is crafted more precisely, and it's more about like, okay, showing people that, hey, I am a good guy and hey, I can work with you well. This is more about like getting their interest up and making them want to work with you. It's still not getting them to work with you, it's making them want to work with you and making them learn that, hey, I am a professional, I know what I'm doing. So in this generation video, they spend time with you. As I said, videos are the best form to build the trust and build the authority. And also you are knowledge, so they know that you have the knowledge, and this is very important because they want to work with people who they trust, and they want to work with people who has actual good knowledge, and these traffic generation videos can do that for you. And also awareness levels is something that you probably know about as an online educator or online business owner, but if people are not aware of the problem they have and you just make a video showing them, hey, this is your actual problem, like for example, they don't know how to play the guitar and they think the guitar is their problem, the actual guitar, and you make a video, hey, I know that you think guitar is your problem, but it's not. And now they are aware that, hey, this is actually my problem. Okay, now I know I have to fix that, and I don't have to fix my guitar problem, I have to fix my learning. And then we can go to the conversion videos. This is a little bit different, but also kind of the same. These are VSLs and funnel videos, and this is for them. This is for the people. They are like, okay, I'm interested, but does it work for me? Nowadays people believe that there are opportunities that are insane, and now people believe that anybody can do anything. But what they don't believe right now is that what I'm showing you and what I'm giving you is for me. This is the biggest thing that they don't believe in. This is the biggest question that they ask. Can I do this? Because I know he did this and he did this and he did this, but how about me? Will it work for me? And this is something that we have to fix, and this is something that we have to show them in these conversion videos. And also there are other objections that you can handle in these videos, not just this is work for me, but pricing or time. A lot of people think they don't have time, but you have to solve that show them that, hey, this is just bullshit, you have the time that you want. And also I think it's very important to be inspiring and motivating to people. Watch to the end of the video and realize like, okay, now I got this. I've been joking around, I'm playing around, but now I got this. I've been trying to learn the guitar for years now, but for the next 90 days I will lock in and I will actually learn. And if your video does this, now it becomes much easier for them to sign up. It becomes much more about emotions than just logical buying. So these videos can help with the conversion as well. And again, as I said, you don't need the money right away. You can take them on the call. But now if you have a VSL that they have to watch before the call, this VSL handles all the objections like pricing, like time, like equipment, like is this for me? And now they get on the call and they just want some unique questions, or they don't understand something about something, so you tell them and now you ask them, hey, do you want this actually? And now your sales calls become much easier because your VSL did the hard work, did the promising, and made it sure that they understand that, hey, this is for me. And this is why you may not even need a sales call. You may just lead them to the product and they can buy whatever. And if you look at this whole funnel, you have to create this free training once. You have to create this VSL once. And now this is the part, the simple long form YouTube videos that you have to create more and more and more of. But if you set this up, now you just create more videos, send them through this funnel, and this funnel will do all the trust building for you, do all the authority building for you, and now you just lay back and these videos are still you. Still you are talking, still you are showing them things, it's still you. The potential buyers still build a relationship with you, but you had to record it once. So just do this and save 20+ hours every single week, because you don't have to answer the questions, you don't have to go on long sales calls, you don't have to explain everything that you do, you have videos for it. So now you can just send the videos and it's almost the same. So this is how simple videos can save you 20 hours every single week.